Hello guys, welcome back. Today I think let's go to W3 schools. I think this is the ending lesson for our Python intermediate course as I expected. Let's see. We learn everything, class object, numbers, cast and list. Yes, we earn everything that are needed for tutorial. Now, someone in the comments say that we could go with the machine learning and AI in the course after the Python intermediate. Okay, today I officially end the Python intermediate course, but I maybe solve some algorithm problems if you want. Maybe I upload some of algorithms questions for you and then solve them. But now we are going to start our Python first lesson of machine learning and AI and neural network. Okay, in this lesson we end our intermediate course by going to Scikit-Learn and see what we are going to learn in the next course. In the next course we are going to learn about the net is a little. We are going to learn about machine learning. We are going to learn about classification, regression, clustering, preposition, model selection, dimensional education. No, this thing or not. We are going to learn about these four and I think a little more. But the next course main important thing is Scikit-Learn or Scikit-Learn, I don't know how to call it, and machine learning. Okay, let's make a conclusion about the past course video. In the past course, in the Python intermediate course, we create two projects that work with classes, def, and pandas, and we gain a good understanding of them. But don't worry if you don't understand them. I'm going to create some programs for you in an algorithm course and solve more problems for you to understand better. But I think we'll learn everything we needed to start learning machine learning in Python, and after machine learning we go to learn about neural network. Neural network. This is where the Python is going to be interesting, where you can create a mind. And it's a very interesting course, but you need to focus a lot because from now on the course is going to be more and more harder. Have a good day and thanks for seeing this course. I really appreciate you and I hope you enjoyed this course as well. For me this is a fun one and I like it very more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's making me really happy and give me more that you think. I don't know how to thank you, but thank you very lot. Have a good life. Tomorrow we are going to put our first machine learning Scikit-Learn course.